Let's start by imagining we are sitting with a cup of coffee, and I am sharing some Python insights to craft a nifty way to solve anagrams swiftly. You, being an IT fresher, are eager to tackle problems and learn about efficient coding practices. Right? Well, perfect timing. We'll dissect the intricacies of implementing an anagram solver together while unboxing some Python magic. So, I'll keep things casual yet informative, akin to a fireside Python tale under the glow of the evening lamp. First up, the heart of the matter, what's an anagram? Picture this given to letters, like cinema and Iceman. Our goal is to devise a program that checks if they're anagrams, and if so, dishes out all the related solutions, leveraging Python's sleek syntax and semantics. Python, with its rich set of libraries and an easy-to-understand paradigm, makes this an ideal playground for us to sculpt a solution from scratch or enhance a given program with more efficiency and elegance. When dealing with anagrams, let's remember their words or phrases, which means we need to handle strings adeptly. That includes stripping any unwanted characters, such as punctuation. As we dive into building this anagram solver, we'll also explore sorting characters, string comparison using dictionaries to tally occurrences, and employing default dict for more refined control over handling characters and their counts. Now, the architecture is where we start scripting some elegant flows. We'll define the main function that takes into words, the finder and solver. It'll compare sorted versions of the inputs to determine if they form an anagram. If they do, a deeper plunge into a subroutine dedicated to generating pertinent anagrams awaits. Speaking of generators, don't you just adore how they allow us to lazily iterate? For our solution, generating combinations on the fly using recursion with backtracking will keep our memory footprint light and operations smooth. And hey, while we're at it, Python's iter-tools comes handy, specifically the permutations method to get all the juicy results without extra memory hog. But that's not all, folks. Ever thought about parallel computing? No. Well, here's where we explore the concept of multithreading to slice and dice the problem space, splitting computation into threads that we'll run on multiple cores, chalking up another efficiency notch in our anagram solver belt. Memory management. We'll touch upon the Python's GC magic and delve into the subtle nuances of string immutability. Python strings being immutable means once we allocate memory for a string, we can't change it. For efficiency, we'll employ local variables and functions that take advantage of this to avoid recreating common strings within our generators and other computations. Concurrency, though, is as simple as it sounds but packaged in complexity. Python's threading and multiprocessing libraries offer paths to traverse concurrent executions, but they dance a tricky tango around the global interpreter lock. It constrains us in a single-threaded interpreter to some extent, but fear not, as I'll guide you on how to potentially sidestep the GIL with concurrent technologies. And of course, as we wrap up this enchanting anagram journey, let's not forget about testing. Python's built-in unitest library, not to mention third-party PyTest, stand as stalwart defenders of code integrity. Now to the final, our hands-on experience with this code will end here, but rest assured, this is just the tip of the iceberg. By understanding the architecture and the principles we applied, such as efficient handling of strings and concurrency, and diving hard into parallel computing, we become adept problem solvers with Python's arsenal. Whether we craft the complete anagram solver or hone in on particular aspects, we fortify our knowledge and skills in the intriguing world of programming. So, after you've relished the wisdom imparted, Feel encouraged to take the initiative, implement some versions of this anagram solver, and get that creative code engine roaring out your thoughts on the fly. To nudge you even further, remember to check my blog at neeraj.io for not just this but similar explorations of Python's charm. And finally, if my voice has led you here seeking knowledge on string manipulation and programming efficiency as an IT fresher, do hit that subscribe button. Tune in to TechLab for more Python sessions and technical explorations.